I created a crypto strategy which provides the exact buying and selling opportunity for every single cryptocurrency. It is called 30-minute cycle strategy, and this strategy works in the following way. It prints the blue arrow down on the reversal points whenever financial asset is about to go down, which basically gives you a perfect shorting opportunity. And this strategy also provides the red arrows up, which basically tells you when the market is about to switch up and when you're going to start printing money, opening new longs. This strategy works on every single cryptocurrency, and today I want to use this strategy on a couple of coins to prove you that, hey, everybody can make money in crypto if they understand cycles. Apart from this strategy, you also see a bunch of red background colors and green background colors. Now, this green background color tells you that, hey, the market is about to switch, and instead of going down, it is about to consolidate and start coming up. And this red color in the background right here tells that, hey, we are overbought on some shorter cycles and we might go down for the next few days. And this is usually what happens. In a very bullish environments, we can see 1, 2, or even 4 sell signals after another, but we can also predict this behavior. In the very bearish cycles, we can actually see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buy signals right after another. But usually, even if you buy any of them, even if you bought the very first one, you are still in a profit if you sold on the next sell signal. Now, this strategy uses cycles in the background. And if you want to have access to the cycle indicators yourself, you have to go to strategymaster.io or strategymaster.substack.com. In this website, I teach people about cycles. I research and apply cycle indicators on altcoins, Bitcoin, gold, stocks, and any other financial asset. Every single week, I publish 2 to 3 different cycle reports, and they're completely free to read. However, if you want to get access to the cycles and if you want to see what actually is happening in the market in real time, you have to get the premium subscription for €42 or $49 per month. You get access to these cycle indicators, you get access to these buy and sell signals, and you start making profitable trades in crypto. Now, look at the bottom of my screen. Here you will see a bunch of cycle indicators, and I want to explain each and every indicator to you. This 3-day cycle indicator shows how the currency, how the financial asset is going to develop within the next few weeks. Whenever the 3-day cycle is in the turning point, basically whenever it's at 20, we see a consolidation in the price. This is a good area to trade, especially using this strategy. If you want to make much easier money, you have to wait until this 3-day cycle starts growing. Here is when you want to take every single buy signal, because almost every single buy signal is profitable. Whenever coin you choose, if this coin is actually outperforming Bitcoin or performing very similar to Bitcoin, it is going to provide you profit. Now, take a look at this situation that we just covered. Here, every single of these 6 signals is bringing you profit. How these 6 signals appear on the screen? In order to understand how these 6 signals actually appear on the screen, you have to look into smaller cycles. Here we have a 4-hourly cycle, the 2-hourly cycle, and here we also have 30-minute cycle bottoms. This is, ladies and gentlemen, how we print these buy signals. Every single time when 30-minute cycle goes below 20, combined with 4-hour or 2-hour cycle, or in this case, all of them are below 20, this is when you want to enter the trade. When do you want to exit? You have basically 2 opportunities. You can exit when the 2-hour cycle goes above 80. This is usually happens within 1 day or maximum 2 days, or you simply wait until the 4-hourly cycle goes above 20. So you have 2 opportunities here. If you sold here, you made 2%. If you sold here, you made about 3%, which is not that considering it's just a small trade that took you a few days to complete. So what you want to do ideally, you want to wait until the 4-hourly cycle and the 2-hourly cycle and the 30-minute cycle meet below 20 on the same day. And if that's not the case, you can either take the risk and take these signals right here, or you can simply wait until all the signals align for you. Not necessarily Bitcoin, but also any other coin like Solana, XRP, HBAR can be applied and can be used with these cycle indicators and these buy and sell signals. See, Solana printed a buy signal on the 25th of August, and it printed 4 sell signals in the next few days. All 4 sell signals, they were profitable because the 2-hour cycle went above 80 and made an ultimate top. If you waited even more until the 4-hour cycle top, you basically made even more money. So consider buying here and selling some more here. Now, the good part about this strategy is that you don't have to use the buy signals alone. You can also short the market using the sell signals. So if you basically start your short here, whenever the 2-hour, the 4-hour, and the 30-minute cycle are above 80 or they are falling, you simply make money. You short here, here you made 4%, right here, if you start shorting here and you close it here, you made 6%. Sure, in this case, you were in a loss for a temporary amount of time, but if you waited until the actual bottom and until the next buy signals, you were again in the profit. And once the 3-day cycle indicator reverses to the upside, here you want to look for the buy signals. And you see, every single buy signal is profitable. Even if you entered here, look, this was not the best opportunity to enter. This is where the 4-hourly cycle actually went up and started reversing. What you could do, you could simply wait for this downside to finish, get the new buy signal once again, and basically stay in 2 trades. You buy here and you sell on the sell signal. Here you made nothing with this trade. But if you bought here and then you bought here again and you sold at the same place, here you made 2% profit. If you want to understand more about cycles, watch my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you want me to look through a specific coin. This is my channel. Like this video, subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers so more people actually see my content and they want to interact with cycles and they want to become more profitable traders. Crypto market is volatile, and if you use this volatility to your advantage by using these cycle signals or these cycle indicators at the bottom of the screen, you will start making money very easily. You can ignore all the noise, you can ignore every single influencer, you, cycles, and your Binance or Bybit wallet. That's what will bring you money. This September, many coins are going to go down. In this September, the 3-day cycle indicator is going to reach the top and it's going to go down. This is where you want to short. You want to look for short signals. Once you see these blue arrows, you open your short, you wait until the 4-hourly cycle goes below 20 and you sell there and you simply profit. Crypto market is here to stay and you are here to make money. Subscribe for the newsletter, subscribe for the channel, and see you in the next one.